Hello viewers, today we are going to look at chemical signal, particularly autocrine. Autocrine is kind of a chemical signals. Autocrine kind of a chemical signals that are released by cells and have the local effects on the same type of cell. The same, they have what local effects on the same type of the cell, same type of the cell. These are similar type of cells. So released by this cell and has the local effects to the same type of the cell, from which the chemical signals are released. Example include chemicals such as eicosanide, prostaglandins, thromboxanes, prostaglandins, and the leukotrienes. That are released from smooth muscle cells and from platelets. In response to inflammation, these chemicals cause the relaxation of blood vessel, smooth muscle cells, and the aggregation of platelets as a result of blood vessel dilate and the blood clots. So examples of these are thromboxanes, prostaglandins, prostacyclins, and the leukotrienes. These are autocrine chemical signal. Another part of chemical signal is the paracrine. Paracrine chemical signals. These are released by the cell that have the local effects, or the effects on the other type of cell. It's not like a local, but these are chemicals signals released by the cell. This type of cell, this cell has released paracrine chemical signal, released by cell that have what effects on other different type of the cell, from which they are released without being transported in the blood, not transported in the blood. For example, the peptide called somatostatin. Somatostatin is released by the cell of the pancreas and function locally to inhibit the secretion of insulin from other cells of the pancreas. So the difference between autocrine and the paracrine is that autocrine chemical signals are released from one type of cell and affect the same type of cell. But in case of paracrine, these are chemical signals that released by one cell but has the effects at another different type of cell. So the same type of cell here, different types of cell. So thank you viewers for listening. Make sure that you subscribe our video. Thank you.